Hey, what up, everybody? There is this sound that comes from my 2006 Chevy Impala. The only time it makes this sound is when either I use the remote start, the factory installed GM remote start that came with the car, or if I change like the thermostat from heat to air, it'll make the sound as well. So thinking it has something to do with the air condition, but the sound it'll make the sound temporarily, then it'll stop. So and you can like kind of feel it like right up in there. And the sound is very annoying, obviously. I mean, even though it stops after a short period of time. And like, let's see. Okay, right now it's on cool. But let's change it. Now let's change it back. This. So it's not wanting to do it now, but anyway, that's the sound that it makes. There it goes. And it still makes it when you cut the car off as well. And you can like hear it under the hood. Also, well, you can tell it's kind of more inside the car. But yeah, that's what I'm dealing with. So if anybody has any ideas, just let me know. Yeah.